This is how to fix snapping or popping doors. Usually bathroom doors from moisture causes the door jams is where it's where it's right up against the door, where the door presses against the frame where the door jam is. So all we're going to need is some paraffin wax. Last year I used some just regular wax, and it was actually, in that case, it was last year, it was just like dental wax. So where can you get paraffin wax? Paraffin wax can be bought from most of your local hardwares and just most of your local stores in general. This case, it's actually mustache wax, which its main ingredient is paraffin wax plus fragrance. So actually, it's pretty much just paraffin wax, but it'll do the job, and we're going to apply it to places where the door jamb is sticking. And you can kind of see it where it's rubbing on the door frame. And that's pretty much where it's happening. Might be a little bit there, and a little bit up here. So we're just going to apply some paraffin wax to there. And paraffin wax is pretty much you just needing to add some type of lubricant to the door that keeps it from snapping and popping. You don't need much, just apply it nice and thinly over it to the areas where it's snapping and popping, and try and wipe away the excess so it doesn't get all nasty from buildup. There we go. Come down here and add some more there. There we go. And down here to where there's a lot more spots. And now we're going to do a door close test. There we go. Nothing. Nada. Completely silent. Where before it would be, especially after showers, a huge crack and like pop. Anyway, so now it's all fixed. Just a little bit of paraffin wax or some type of wax. Provide a little lubricant where the side of the door is rubbing against the door jamb, and you can just usually look for it right where there's rubbing marks. Just apply it right there, and voila, you're all done. Alright, and that's it. Thanks for watching.